The goal of every farmer is to be able to make profit from their farm. So after spending money on land preparation, cultivation, you spend money on seed, labor, and the rest. The goal is for you to make profits. But how can you make more profits from your farm? In today's video, I'm talking about 5 actionable ways for you to make more profits from your farm. These are realistic ways. So if you're interested in today's video, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive in. The first way that you can make profits from your farm is for you to plant crops that you can sell. Plant only crops that you can sell. So don't plant based on what you've read online. Okay, ugu is profitable. You now go and plant ugu. Meanwhile, you cannot sell ugu, right? Do your market research. Your market research will tell you what to plant, what you can easily sell. So in the process of your market research, the market, once you've gotten to your local market, you will see what people are buying. Maybe it's pepper, maybe it's tomato, maybe it's cucumber. That is what you should plant. Don't plant based on something you've read that is 100% profitable. If you plant based on that, you are losing money. Like, that's an easy way to lose money. So plant only what you know you can sell. Okay. The second way that you can make profit is cultivate the land size that you can comfortably manage, right? Is one thing to plant what you can sell. It's another thing to cultivate the land size that you can comfortably manage. So you know your capacity, that's your farm workers, your manager can comfortably manage 1 acre of maybe cucumber farm. But because you've read that it's profitable, you've also seen that there is ready market for it, then you go and cultivate 10 acres of it. Your hands, the labors you have, cannot manage 10 acres. So it might be only the 1 acre that they can manage that you will see money from. The remaining 9 acres, you've wasted seed, you've wasted fertilizer, you've wasted everything. So cultivate the land size that you can comfortably manage. Both your budgets, both your workers, your resources can comfortably manage. Don't go and cultivate large land size. Meanwhile, a small land size that you can comfortably manage. This is the second point for you to be able to make more profits from your farm. If you cultivate the land size that you can comfortably manage, then you can sell it to the markets that you have found. The next point is sell to the markets that needs the products and not the market that is available. They are 2 different things. Even me, I did not know that these are 2 different things until I think 4 years ago, when I was like, must I sell to Ijeoma market? I can take this thing to this market. I can take this to Benjamin market. It's not compulsory I sell to Ijeoma market, because Ijeoma market, people are pricing my produce anyhow. So sell to market that needs it, not market that is available. So this is the instance. There's a farm market close to my farm location, like 15 minutes to my farm location. We do our farm market days every 5 days, so everybody bring their produce and they come and sell, because that is the available market. People sell things anyhow. The people who come from other markets to come and buy it because they know we sell at any price. They buy from us. They will not go and sell it to the market that needs it. The time I discovered this was when I cultivated pepper, and I wanted to sell the pepper. I saw that people came very early in the morning. I said, as 3, 4, they've gotten the pepper. And when I now went to one of our top markets, I saw these people reselling it. I'm like, wow. So this is the market that actually needs it. But the one I was selling to was the one I know that is available. So sell it to the market that needs it, not the market that is available. And that is the essence of market research. During your market research, you will discover markets that actually needs your produce and not just available market. This is another way that you can make more profits. And this bonus point, your available markets might buy this produce for, let's say, 15 naira, and the market that needs it will buy this thing for 1,000 naira. So that is the difference. Sell to ready market, the one that needs it, and not available market. Okay, this point covers points 1 and 2. Produce only the quantity that you can sell. It goes as your land size, it goes as plant what you can sell. Just if it's 10 baskets that you can sell, produce the 10 baskets, and don't produce 20 baskets and you're praying and hoping, especially perishables. Pepper, tomato, cucumber, okra, produce the quantity that you can sell. I think these are the reason why people are not making profit from it. They go against all these points that I've said. If you can follow this point, you will make more profit. There's money in farming. Don't let anybody deceive you. You will make more profit from it. So produce the quantity that you know that you can comfortably sell. Okay. And finally, the way to make profit from your farm is calculate the cost of production before fixing price. Don't follow market price or your available market price. Okay, this is what my farm market. See, there is market for every produce you put out. If you want to sell it per kilo, there's market. There's people that will buy it. It's just you need to go and look for those people. So calculate your cost of production before you fix your price. So if this thing is taking you 1,000 naira to produce, if you don't know that it costs you 1,000 naira to produce, you might go and sell it for 800 naira or 600 naira. Maybe they are selling it in your location 500 naira, and you say, okay, let me sell it 700 naira. In your mind, you've made profit. Meanwhile, you are selling at loss because you don't know that the cost of that you spent producing it is like 1,000 naira. But maybe you know your cost of production is 1,000 naira. You had maybe transportation of 200 naira, 1,000 to maybe other miscellaneous 100 naira. Maybe you are tipping everybody on the road 100 naira. That's 1,003, and you sell for 1,500. You've made your profit. You need to know your cost of production so that you can be able to fix price. Don't fix price without knowing your cost of production. These are the 5 actionable ways that you can begin to make more profits from your farm. I hope you got value. As usual, if you did, subscribe to the channel, smash the like button. If you've not joined our agribusiness class where we talk about agricultural business, farming, storage, is a class you don't want to miss. Kindly join the class. Also, if you've not joined our free community, our Telegram farming community, please join it. All the link are in the description box. Check it out, and I'm going to see you in the community. I'll also see you in my next video.